up? Tommy here from Green Rhino. A little pumped this morning. I'm going to try out some new solution. Not actually new, because I've used it in the past. Love the product, but didn't know much about it really. But learning a little bit more about it, I'm like, wow, really? So I'm going to be trying some of this out today, hopefully. So these are one of those times that I'm looking forward to. Hopefully I walk into a carpet that's really filthy. Because I want to be able to see how well the stuff works. The product I'm using right now is Pro Scion Extreme Carpet Cleaning Solution. It's a green safe product, which I love, and that's why I use carpet detail. And that's why I try to keep green as much as possible. But of course there's situations that you can't, but I always let the customers know, right? So anyway, this Pro Scion, it's an awesome product I've known from the past, but I've never really tested it out hardcore on like really silk carpets. It actually has a pH of 10. I know guys, I always talk about using solutions at a neutral pH, right? So you don't have to use a rinse, right? Well, apparently this stuff dries at a neutral pH. So you clean at pH 10 and then it dries at a neutral pH, meaning you don't have to do a rinse on it, and you're gonna still have that pH that really packs a punch. Now I don't know how, because a lot of really extreme carpet cleaning solutions, they're up to around 12 pH, and this is 10. But still, I want to see what it does. I want to see if it just kind of meets my expectations. The stuff's also encapsulating. It's what I truly believe it's a smart carpet cleaning solution, like carpet details. It tries to a crystal, right? You don't leave any residue behind. Keeps cleaning if it's there. When you vacuum, you vacuum everything up. Even more soil that's left behind. So yeah, like I said, I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping this carpet is pretty filthy, and if it's not, then I guess I won't even play this video. See you there. Alright, so I'm going to have to do a real good vacuum in here, and then go ahead and get to cleaning. Now, going through here, it looks like, I'm not sure what that is, maybe coffee, I'm not sure. But over here she said she had orange juice spilled and they cleaned it with a black rag. And I said, well, that's bad news, because if it's a black rag, then it bleeded artificial color, which make that a permanent stain. So, but I'm gonna try my best. Same right here. I'm gonna try my best, and I have to getting ready for sale, so I want to make it look beautiful. I'm gonna be coming back to do the tile here on a later date, so I just gave an estimate on that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up and get clean. Alright, so we got the Pro Scion ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray this room. I'm going to make sure I do a good agitation. And extract. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so you can tell this carpet is a whiter carpet, and a lot of soil came up. That Pro Scion really brought that soil off the fiber really good, to where when I scrubbed it, it really showed how much soil is in the carpet. So yeah, it looks really bad right now, but I have a feeling when I run that wand across it, it's gonna look amazing. All right. Holy moly. You know I'm impressed, because that's one of the squarest sayings in the world, and I just said it. Holy moly. That's what I'm going to be saying. Jiminy crickets. Look at that. That was Brandon. Alright guys, all finished up. Carpets look amazing, and that's what the customer said, so that's what counts. She already did a walkthrough, as you can tell, footprints here, but she did have her booties on. So yeah, this Pro Sound really works well. Okay. She said, oh, it looks like brand new carpets. I said, that's what I like to hear from a customer. You know, that's the ultimate compliment right there. And then a repeat customer is the best compliment. So yeah, looks great. Stairs all nice and pretty, and everything even lightened it even more. See, this wasn't walked in, so you can see without the footprints, you don't see those shadows and stuff, right? So yeah, it came out great. So I'm gonna start using this Pro Sound a little bit more often. That one area that was right here, all gone. I thought it was a permanent. She said they used a black towel to clean it, so I thought, oh, it bled black, but Pro Sound works. I didn't use any special spot treatment or anything like that. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna wrap it up and get out of the customer's house and move on to my next. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know what you can. See you in the next video.